Hi, this is Andy Bennett from Bennett Safe Gas. Just a review on these new Knipex needle nose combination pliers. Quite a nice tool. It's very comfortable to hold and no resistance whatsoever. Nice teeth, sharp, good grip. Cable cutting is better than what I'm used to compared to these cheapo ones. These ones don't fully open. When you do open them, they are not easy to close. These ones are easy, simple. Let's just compare them. Cutting a bit of cable makes it not quite so easy compared to these ones. A lot easier. Strips, cuts. Nice little tool. Tells you how many volts it can take. 1000 volts. Hopefully I'll nowhere near that. Compared to these, there's no information, none at all. Yeah, thank you Tool Talk. Nice little tool.